This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken burger patties at home easy guide. Mix ground chicken with breadcrumbs, an egg, minced onion, garlic, salt, pepper, and a splash of milk. Form even 4-ounce patties and chill them for 20 minutes to hold shape. Cook in a hot skillet or on a grill for 4 to 5 minutes per side until firmly browned and cooked through. Start by gathering all ingredients: ground chicken, binder, aromatics, salt, and pepper. Use 1 egg and about 1 cup of breadcrumbs per pound of meat as a starting point, adjusting for moisture. Finely chop onion and herbs to distribute flavor evenly. Mix gently to combine without overworking, then shape into uniform patties for even cooking and a tender bite. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: there's a great book I love about money and mindset that pairs oddly well with cooking patience and planning. It really changed how I think about priorities and treats. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a snack, and now let's get back to the video. Heat a well-oiled skillet or preheated grill to medium-high to get a golden crust without drying the inside. Cook patties 4 to 5 minutes per side, flipping just once to maintain juiciness. Use an instant-read thermometer to confirm 165 degrees F internal temperature for safety. Let patties rest for a few minutes before assembling with your favorite bun, sauce, and toppings for optimal texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.